My people, e don red o for inside the place wey dey call Awo Omama for Imo State. As we dey talk right now, no be small thing o dey go on for inside that place. This one na heavily battle for inside there. As we dey talk, they say that Umuoma, the people wey dey call Umuoma o, if you no know them, go check who dey call Umuoma. They say Umuoma versus Geria army. As we dey talk right now, no be small thing o, no be small clash. If you even hear the sound, you go say wetin dey happen. But however, we go jump inside though. Awo Omama, they say the villagers wey dey around that place, everybody now go inside the one bush that is go take cover. Things are happening. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video and follow this channel for more updates as e dey red. Things are really happening, my people. As we dey talk now for inside the Awo, no be small gbaga o wey dey shele for that area. I go play you the video, make you hear am from this our brother and also hear wetin dey go on for inside that place as we dey talk right now. Please do not forget to share immediately when you don watch this video.
Adema bikono njinji na-eji na Awo Omama ka ọ dị ugbu a. Ndị Awo Omama tetere n'ụtụtụ a. Ndị Awo Omama tetere n'ụtụtụ a wee na-anụ egbe na that is mgbe egbe agbara na Awo Omama ka na-agbakwa na Awo Omama now is so heavy. Ihe agbaga na egbe na Awo Omama. Ọ bụghị sọsọ m ga-anụ ya. Ọ bụghị sọsọ m ga-anụ ya. Ọ ga-adị mma na gị nwa onye na-ege ntị ugbu a. Na ịnụrụ ya bụ egbe agbaga na Awo Omama ka ọ hapụ ịdị ka ọwa akụkọ ka a na-akọ. Hapụ ịdị ka ọwa akụkọ ka a na-akọ.
Biko onye nakwa owere ochi gị ihe ka eji Awo Omama bịakwala ụzọ developụ na nye agbagadị a na-abụ shit nnukwu nne ahụ egbe na kebe na ugo egbe tebe na ugo egbe
Jesus. I swear. Hey. Why can't you that close? And look at that. You were able down. No. Even I know something more to say.
Awo Omama gbachọrọ ọhịa.
Did you?
N'igbe ọhịa ka ndị Awo Omama nọ na we are talking to you. Throughout today, you have here na Awo Omama. Go to east.
Guy, but you be keep. Na to baranya akuluzu. Na what kunye baranya nsu mo ya. O baranya.
Awo Omama ka ọ na-akpọkụ. Awo Omama. Awo Omama. Ihe here today.
Kifro ya ba. Ndili ne baga challenging. How challenging? Why sir? Challenging. Jesus. Bye na mo fa no.
N'ime ọhịa ka ndị anọ. N'ime ọhịa ka ndị anọ. Ndị gbaga challenge, ndị ha na ndị amị gbaga challenge. Anyị ekwuole anyị achọghụ anything insecurity n'Imo State. Anyị achọghụ ndị ọwụla anybody na-promote insecurity n'Imo State. That person is an enemy to Igbo land. That person is an enemy to Igbo land. Okay, na ihe kpọtụga na Awo Omama. Ihe na ihe kpọtụga na Awo Omama. Ihe na ihe kpọtụga na Awo Omama. Na ndị onye ọwụla abaala ọhịa. Onye ọwụla abaala ọhịa. Onye ọwụla abaala ọhịa as we are talking now. Ọ dị mma biko ọ bụrụ na ị nọ Awo Omama biko zero onwe gị now. Zero onwe gị. Ọ bụrụ na ị na Awo Omama zero onwe gị. Ọrụkwanụ na ewu onye Awo Omama kpọọ ndị nọ n'ụlọ. Ọ bụrụ na unu ga-ezo n'ime ọhịa, unu ezo n'ime ọhịa ebe ha dịzi safe. 2 days ago ka ndị amị gbagburu somebody now. Ya kwukwere ya 2 days ago ka ndị amị gbagburu one man like that. Ụmụnne gbata nke ọzọ gbagbuo ye. Now yesterday again they went to Awo Omama. If they want to challenge him, they should enter inside bush. They should enter inside bush. Challenge and they challenge her. They should stop killing innocent people. They should stop killing innocent people. When they challenge her, they should face them one-on-one. I got to go. Ugbu now. I know the story ga put echi. I got fatal. I got fatal stories from tomorrow. May God protect Awo Omama. May God save Awo Omama. May God save Imo State. Amen.
My people, as you don't hear am o, na so we dey see am now, and this one dey happen as we dey talk for inside that area. Right now, things are happening. Imo State, what is happening? But however, abeg, do not forget to drop your own opinion. If you live around this side, update us of wetin dey go on for there. As we dey come o, my people, things are happening for inside Imo State. Things are really happening, yes. As that one dey happen, let's quickly jump into another matter o. Go know as e dey be for that area. Bishop don call Nigeria government say make they no dey paint things red and black. Say make they come forward and go for the main people. They know where they dey. Anybody wey dey communicate with bandits, say make they go hold that person. They show them the road to where bandits dey live. Now wetin this our bishop don come outside come talk. Una know am, na popular bishop. I go play the video, make you watch, and before we come back and continue.
It is clear that the federal government at the highest level knows what is going on. At least the intelligence community has an idea. There are key Nigerians who are saying quite openly that they know more than we think the rest of us know. And I think that it's a business of the federal government to find out those who claim to know where the bandits are and those who are collaborating and cooperating with the bandits. I mean, it's the greatest humiliation of our nation. We cannot, the psychological impact on this on our children is unacceptable. So for me, it's something that the security agencies, in collaboration with those that they say, the people who have said quite openly, okay, that they know what is going on. And I think the federal government has the capacity to go after those people.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you don't hear am from this Bishop mad, Bishop Koka. You don't hear am for him mad direct. No be smart, you know say Nigeria any day where everybody stand for the truth, especially I'm talking to the youth of Nigeria. Any day you start reasoning like a human being, when people like us start sounding like this, we say we are violent, because that is the reason why they hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu inside that place. Because the things that are happening now, if the youth stand up and said no for this, you will see that everything will end. Any day the youth stand up and start saying the truth, that day we will know where this country is going to. Unfortunately, the Southeasterners said no, enough is enough. They have had a lot of these lies and they want to be on their own. That is why you see all these things happening in this East. Imo State become a place that the development that coming to Imo State was high before they now put this here puppet inside that Imo State. And Imo State tried to bring Imo State down because Imo State is growing faster in everywhere. Imo State is growing faster. They are doing everything to bring Imo. That is why you see all these things as well happening in Imo State especially. Because they put their own person there and they think that by putting Hope Uzodinma, they can be able to install their enemy and take over Imo State. So let it be one state in East which they will take over. But when you say it tomorrow, somebody will sit down and they cannot reason proper. I wonder why the military men in Nigeria cannot sit down and think, if you have this country at heart, as everyone claim, you have the right, you have the power to defend the country in a good firm, not in this nonsense that we will see it ourselves right now. We are going nowhere. Nigeria is going nowhere. Every day, people are going in this country. People, they buy. In Igbo language, they call it Obara. The Obara. We don't pour for ground for this country. It's too much. It's too much. This message go to the military. This cannot, guns and bullets can't end this thing. In the north, in the south, in the west, in the east, cannot solve this problem. Only thing that can solve this problem is round table. People need to talk. People need to decide whether to continue as a nation called Nigeria, or whether to be in your home, govern yourself, and let there be center. Center will be there, and let power go to the people. If you think that guns and bullets can solve this problem, the army general, you will continue sacrificing your men. Your men will be going and paying the price for nothing, because at the end of the day, end of the tunnel, will still come to one point. Do you know that when God back a nation, a lot of things start happening gradually by gradually. At the time, you'll be like, it will be good though, it's going fine though. The boom, everything will start back again. This is where Nigeria is right now as we are speaking. But when you tell them, they think he's speaking English. Our nation, which nation are we talking about? Where people are hungry, people are going. More people are going to join Boko Haram in the north. If you don't know it now. And more people is going to join everything you call them in the west and in the east. Because of you guys have fed them. So when I see army man, when they buy army man, it pains me because the price is paying. You don't want paying that price. It's paying a nothing price. It pay me a lot because you cannot patch your car 10 times and still drive that car. That tire, normal. The tire must leak. This is how Nigeria is. So when men are going, are buying every day, it hurts me because they are paying price that don't worth paying. Where all these old mans will go and look for one girl and sit in the hotel and call you, me wanna go there, finish them. Influence of alcohol and influence of the woman rubbing her chest. You guys will drop into the motor and start driving, killing your fellow, buying your fellow human being, thinking that you are working for the country. You are restoring peace where there is no violence. There is no problem. No problem there. The problem they created for their own selfish interests. Look at how people are inside bush taking cover. And somebody will come and say, Nigeria will be better. Oh God. Things are happening. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If people said no. What is your offense? Because he saw it coming and voiced it out. That's why Nnamdi Kanu is still there. You cannot manage this nation. This is the raw truth you people don't want to hear. You can't manage this nation. Arrest Simon Ekpa. Arrest Nnamdi Kanu. Arrest Chikedoshiem. Arrest everybody unarrestable. More people will rise up. Will be more people more badder than the ones you see will rise up. Yes. You cannot manage this country at all. I feel like to talk this evening. You can't manage Nigeria. Nigeria is leaking badly. No matter how much you pump to the country to make things more better, you will see the fraction at a time. You boom, you start again. The only option in all this is round table. This one is for Nigeria politicians. Stop playing with fire. This fire you guys are playing with, when the flame will start going up, you are not going to hide anywhere. Nigeria are all over the nation, all over the world, all over, everywhere. You can't hide. It's better you leave this peanut money you guys are collecting and start talking of dialogue, round table, restructurally. Give people their freedom. People who say we don't want to belong here, give them their freedom. That is all that will end all those things. Other countries do it. Nigeria can as well do it. My people, share this video and follow this page for more updates as they hot.